Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to find the factorial for any number using the PHP program. So before starting the program, let's see what is the factorial and what is the logic to calculate the factorial for any number. So let's take up number 3. So to find the factorial is the multiplication of all numbers, like starting from 1 to that number. So for factorial, the factorial of 3 now is 1 into 2 into 3 equal to, if you multiply these numbers you will get the output as a 6. Same for 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, you will get the output as a 4. So now let's start the writing the PHP program. So first take the variable as a number equal to 4. We are calculating the factorial for number 4. Take the variable as a factorial 1. Now write the for loop $I is equal to $number $I is greater than equal to 1 $I minus. So factorial equal to $factorial into $I. Now echo the output, echo factorial of $number is $factorial. Now let's run this program in a browser. So factorial of 4 is 24. Now check for the 5. Factorial of 5 is 120. So let me check for the 3. Factorial of 3 is 6. Now I will explain the logic. So initially the i's value is 3, and after that we are decreasing it. So at first iteration, the value of factorial this variable is 1 into i's value is 3. So we will get the output as a 3. In second iteration, the factorial value become the, now we are storing this 3 into this variable. So factorial variable becomes 3 into i's value become 2. Now it is decreasing, so 2. So we will get the 6. So in third iteration, 6 into 1. Now i's value become the 1 because we are decreasing it. So output is equal to 6. So thank you guys. This is the logic and program to find the factorial of any number. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.